Hey everyone, we're here doing a virtual open house at 8408 Calle Adolanto, Northeast Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87113. This property is priced at $415,000. It's 2-story tile roof and sits on approximately 0.13 acres. Let's take a look at this property. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are looking to buy or sell, we're here to help you out. Now, as you walk through the front, you have really nice laminate wood floors that go through the living room and somewhat of the dining area. Now, as you circle to the left, you get right into your kitchen. Nice countertops, appliances. Typically always stay with the property depending on negotiations, right? So looks like these ones will stay for you though. Refrigerator, microwave, disposal, dishwasher all stay with the property. Nice little breakfast nook here. As you notice, you have a nice tile surround. And you also have a nice little section for some bar stools if you wanted here. On both sides, really, of the kitchen, you have a little bit of room there. Now, this is a nice little sitting area. You could actually have it as a dining area if you'd like. Depends on how you like your style, how you want to set it up. Now, it goes in a full circle. There is a bathroom down here. It is a 3/4 bath. Shower only. This could be an office. This can be a 4th bedroom. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's approximately 2,397 square feet. Laundry area goes right directly into your garage. It's an oversized garage, so check it out. Let me know what you guys think. You have access out to the side there. I'll show it to you. I'll turn around. This is your garage. 2-car garage, oversized. You can put a little workbench in here, you know, depending on how you want to lay your garage out. It is 2-story. It's in really good condition. Now it's new carpets, new paint. So it's been updated in terms of carpet and paint. Nice balcony area off of your master. Now, the master suite, I'll show you the master suite bathroom here in just a second. But what a great view from your balcony here. It's right near the Kinney Dam. You have a garden tub, stand-up shower, double sinks, walk-in closet, private commode. Nice size master as well. Double doors, easy to get furniture in and out. Depending on how large your furniture is, right? 2 sinks in the hall bathroom. Nice little separation door that you have, you know, so if somebody's taking a shower, somebody could still be getting ready. Another bedroom, you can consider this number 3. We saw one downstairs, the master, and we go straight to the 4th. It's off Paseo in Louisiana. $415,000, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, built approximately 1997. Nice walk-in closet in this 4th bedroom. Let's go take a look real quick at the exterior. Again, walking through another living area or dining area. You have your breakfast nook right to the right there. Nice covered patio, storage shed. Here's your refrigerated air there. SqFt, there's not a lot of maintenance and landscaping that you would need to maintain. But look at the view. That's the Sandia Mountains there. The Kinney Dam is right there. A lot of places to take your pets for a walk if you guys all have pets. Great little property. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are looking to buy, sell, invest, let us know. We're here to help you out. You guys have a great day. Bye.